up, YouTube? We're here today at Espressotec Sales and Service in our Barista Lab. We have an unboxing to do. We're going to do a Eureka unboxing. So these are these new Mignon grinders. They're an import product from Italy. Something that we're really excited about. We're going to be opening them up here. We've already been using them for a couple weeks, so they've paired really well with some of the machines that we're selling. We're having a lot of fun using them in store. But we want to show you guys online and show you some of you viewers that are looking for the grinders or checking out new machines, what they look like. Also, what you can be expecting out of the box. Really all you need is a box cutter. We're going to be opening up the chrome version here, so it's shiny. Looks good with like rocket machines. Some people love them beside their Sylvias. Looks like it's well packed, just with some styrofoam in there. Mignon. That's your set of instructions. Make sure to give that a read. Looks like it comes with everything that your grinder would come with. Grinder, beam hopper. So let's pull it out. And little portafilter fork. So we'll set our box off to the side. Wow, that's shiny without even taking off the plastic. Just give it a nice unwrap here. So these are all handmade grinders, made by a company in Italy called Eureka. Doesn't that look good? You can almost check yourself out in the morning when you're making coffee, so that's kind of fun. Portafilter fork goes right here in the front. Just there at the bottom. Oh, looks like there's two different heights, so if you want a little bit higher you can. And then we have our nice depthless adjustment on the side. That looks good. The chute design's real nice here. Wow. So let's pull my hopper out, let's get this put in. And you guys are going to want to check out some of the next videos where we're actually going to be using these bad boys. Okay, that sits nice and square, about a ½ pound in there. About a full pound. That looks good, we'll show you the back. Side. Oh, that's pretty fun. That was a fun unboxing. Like and subscribe if you guys want to check out some of our other videos. Comment below for other machines you guys might want us to unbox and check out. And then otherwise, follow us for the next video coming up where we're actually going to be using the grinder and checking out some of the different grind settings that it's able to produce. So, see ya!